Won't you please let me go? These words lie inside, they hurt me so. I'm not the kind that likes to tell you just what I want to do. I'm not the kind that needs to tell you just what you want me to. When I saw you this morning, I thought that you might like to know. I received a message before a few days ago. I understood every word that it said. Now that I've actually heard it, I'm going to regret. I'm not the kind that likes to tell you just what you want me to. Not the kind that needs to tell me about the birds and the bees. Do you find these things all the time? Crucial part one day becomes a crime. And I'm not the kind that likes to tell you just what I want you to. Not the kind that needs to